On the scheduled time of the class, you will see a Go Live option in the classroom section, which will directly lead you to the Zoom portal where you, along with your students, can start the class. Here, eduTinker provides you with various options to interact with your students. You can share images and documents from within your device's storage. You can also share important web URLs. Create important bookmarks for your students. And for all the teachers who love the old school method, we have the whiteboard too. The app also provides an automated list of attendance after every class. By tapping on attendance, you will receive the list of students who were present and absent in your class.